Era o que eu estava a dizer no início, eu também quero ser uma deusa.
Best, wonderful, fantastic show. Look at my skin. It's like, wow, it's great. I'm going to festivals all over the world. I'm in Europe, in Spain, Germany, but never seen this before.
A new perspective of Eros and a new perspective of love in general. It's very beautiful.
I thought it was an incredible depiction of sex versus love, and really does show people where a lot of the world are right now versus where they could be.
I mean, the last one, I did have a moment where I was like, this is one of the most beautiful things I've seen. When you see something in symbolic form, I think it hits home in a different way in your consciousness. So it's not just verbal, but it makes more sense.
É importante termos uma visão do Eros sublime desta forma, em que efetivamente a mulher e o homem são dois seres sagrados que se honram entre si e que têm muito amor a transbordar para dar.
É de uma beleza transcendente.
Os filmes são lindos e este último espetáculo então foi magnífico.
Not many people could relate to tantric experience if they've never seen it, never experienced it. This theater gives an idea of how deep it could be. It presents it in a way where you could feel the emotion.
Todo funciona, la música, la puesta en escena, los movimientos de las actrices y de los actores. Es magnífico. Yo recomiendo encarecidamente que lo veáis.
Aquí la mujer es una protagonista, es divina, da su amor, su bendición al hombre, que tiene un papel muy importante en la pareja y en la vida, y eso me parece maravilloso.
Ha sido una experiencia realmente gratificante, es muy puro, muy bonito todo.
The energy of it was uplifting, it was aspirational, it was clean, and it was artistic, and it evokes feelings and thoughts in you that you won't get, I think, anywhere else. And because of that, it inspires you to be a better version of yourself.
Les artistes et la mise en scène est magnifique. On cherche à comprendre ce que le tantra véritablement, quoi. Et à quoi ça amène.
Me ha gustado mucho, creo que ha sido muy sensual y muy sutil.
And now we saw a group that not only understands the depth of the experience, but also presents it in a very artistic and very understandable way, is presenting the inner self into the audience. You could relate, you could connect, you could see the beauty within.
Mas mesmo assim, quando a gente vai pro dia a dia com o nosso parceiro, a gente ainda não sabe o que fazer, né? E ver a representação, acho que já ajuda a metade do caminho.
Simplemente estás sintiendo y compartiendo las sensaciones con los actores.
Like I've been trying to read and get closer to sacred feminine, and when I saw them come into the stage like dressed in white and just, I don't know, they were like, oh my God, I was like super sacred, and I don't know, it's just so beautiful being able to experience that through art.
Agradeço mais uma vez a todos vocês a oportunidade de ter vindo e espero que continuem um trabalho espetacular como este. Então,